impressive before. We've spoken quite a bit today about new capabilities that the UK's armed forces are getting. George mentioned earlier the Augusta Westland Wildcat now entering service with the Royal Navy and the Army Air Corps. The RAF, of course, is receiving still more Eurofighter Typhoons and the new Airbus Voyager tanker transport. And this, the Airbus military A400M, will be known as Atlas in RAF service following a naming ceremony that was held here at RIAT last year. And it's another example of these new types that are soon to be coming into service. The RAF is going to be getting 22 A400M Atlas aircraft, and the first delivery should happen in September 2014. Of course, they're all going to be based at Fry's Norton in Oxfordshire. Pre-production aircraft. There's been an extensive test and qualification period with these aeroplanes. Grizzly 5 as it's known. Airbus military still uses the Grizzly nickname for this aircraft. It was quite a long time in coming in some ways, the A400M, but it's very much here now. Maiden flight occurred in December 2009, and as an airlifter it promises to be really outstanding. The first delivery of a production aircraft to the French Air Force is due imminently. It took French President François Hollande to the Paris Air Show, and last Sunday it appeared in the Bastille Day flypast. Since January, crews from France and Turkey, the first two nations who are going to be operating A400Ms, have been in training at Airbus military facilities, and the French intend to get an initial operational capability with their A400Ms early next year. Germany will become the third operating nation in early 2014. Of course, it's a multinational program. As with any Airbus, the major assemblies are flown to a final assembly plant in Seville aboard the big A300 Beluga special freighters. The British contribution to that production effort, the outer wing box and the flaps, which are built at the Airbus plant at Filton in Bristol. Slowly here, an excellent demonstration of its characteristics at this low speeds, and then pulling up very slowly into a wing over. The A400M can refuel helicopters. The RAF won't be using that capability, but several of the other operating sound that formation is, as well as the A400M breaks away, the mixture of turboprop and jet engines. Beautifully done. Concludes at 3:15, which is just about at the end of the red arrow display, and the presentation will take place at 3:15. So 3:15 for that. For all the boys and girls that have had to go at that, then please do so. And you can get the chance, and I know they're going to be mobbed, yes, wait for it, at 3:30 in the Techno Zone, maybe a little bit later as we're running just a few minutes late now. You can get to meet the red arrows themselves. They'll be doing interviews and signing autographs in the Techno Zone. That's in the RAF section, the Lockheed Martin sponsored Techno Zone, right in the centre of the showground.
down in the blue area at 3:30, probably 3:35 to meet the red arrows. And right now we're being called across to Mike Ling and Red 10 Squadron Leader Mike Ling.
Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Squadron Leader Mike Ling. I'm Red 10.